The world will end tonight. Come on. Gotta find something. I got two guns here. One is mine and one is my Anthony's. Cool. Oh, those guys, that's good. That was cool. Yeah, let's just check back into this book. No, wait a minute. Let's make this video longer. I'm being so low. Oh. Yeah, babe. Yeah, let's get in here. I feel okay. There's no bad guys anywhere. I guess we had to learn. Whoa. Put our guns down. Put the guns down. I'm done. I'm done. Shut down. Shut down. Destroy this world. Shut down. Destroy the world. Shut down. Destroy the world. Yes. Yeah, bro. Do it. Yay. Hello, wolves. Hello, wolves. Yeah. But how are we going to get Anthony alive? Remember from the video games, Halo guys spawn. Oh yeah. Let's just put a bomb right in his chest and he can spawn. Oh. Thanks, guys. Dude, what happened to my gun? And now they're Halo brothers. Did I shoot a gun? Yeah. Bow! 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 Nice gun, huh? Nice gun. You made both of us die. Sorry. I scored those guys. Nothing can stop me. On the next video, it will be the final chapter. But first, to see the final chapter, read this book.